Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakar punyo terek mutau benaya yong arajar kat kendai. Lami ke kubur hakikat to kat ni kilat patai kubur, Halor ke Jingkynnoh, keseng Kongres ba keseng National People's Party, ke Buhrieh ya ke Jingïadei bat keseng Bharatiya Janata Party. Ke Jingmi kini ke kubur Halor ke Jingkynnoh jong keseng Kongres, kala penpitari kinung ilam jong keseng NPP. Bat ban Pynshai Halor kini ke kubur, hakar kendai terek mutau benaya yong arajar kat kendai. State President nyok National People's Party Meghalaya State Union, Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, ula khot kerki ru ikinong patai kubur, ke jela ban Pynshai Halor kini ke benta.
We never disguised our relationship with the BJP. Right from 2012, when the NPP was formed, and if you remember, when our late leader C.P.A. Sangma contested the election for the President of India, he was supported by the BJP. And from that day onward, we are always part of NDA. And I hope all of you will agree with me, because I used to have press conference every now and then, even before the district council election, even before the MP election. I am always clear in our stand that we are part of NDA, which means the BJP-led alliance. And to make things more clear, so that those who are giving misinformation to the people, they will know the facts. I want them to know certain facts. Well, on the 29th of January 2019, a meeting of all regional parties of the Northeast was held in Guwahati under the chairmanship of Sri Conrad K. Sangma, who was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and who is also the National President of NPP, in which a decision was arrived at to oppose the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Then, on the 9th of February 2019, the National General Council of the NPP was held in Shillong, in which the party decided that if the CAB is passed, in the Rajya Sabha, the party will withdraw from the NDA. We are very clear on this, and I think after the meeting, our leader, National President, who is the CM, has met the press. Which means NDA means the BJP-led alliance. Since the BJP did not introduce the CAB in the Rajya Sabha, NPP still remain till date part of NDA. So there is nothing of what we are hiding, or there is nothing like, I don't know on what information that, I don't know he's a spokesman or not, who said in Khasi Kupsni Langbrot or something like that. And this, to me, this is nothing but a political lie. I want to make it very clear. It is a political lie. And this same political lie was spread by the Congress during the district council election. But the people have given them resounding reply, in which they lost miserably in Khas Hills and they were decimated in Giant Hills. This was they keep on using this against the NPP. And at the same time, they thought that they could take the people for a ride. But the people give them a different reply. I am very confident that the people will give them a befitting reply on the 23rd of May, and they will realize that spreading lies will not help them. A loss in the Lok Sabha election will see the end of Congress in Meghalaya. I pity the Congress. Losing every election from 2018 onwards, this seems to be the last straw that they are grasping at. After 23rd May, they will also realize that their dreams of coming back to power in Meghalaya is going to be a distant dream. So this is the clarification that I want to make on the news that came up from the Congress about, saying that we disguise our relationship with the BJP. We never disguise our relationship with them. It's not like them.